I finished the sticker for the Snail Mail, for August Snail Mail. I have to think on September Snail Mail sticker. I'm going to do it later, but I wanted to show you guys because this one was the previous one that we were painting the other day, but the thing is that I wasn't very happy with how it was looking. You know, it has something off for me, so I decided to start over again. And I made something very quick and very simplified, but I'm just exploring, you know, new things. And I came up with this baby. I mean, it's the same concept because it's Phoebe is my cat. But I have been playing a little bit with the, you know, color gradients and things. So this is the original colors, which I completely love also. But I wanted to try something different. I don't know, guys, what do you think? But I really like this, you know, color combination. I don't know, what do you think? It's 2 p.m. so I'm going to have lunch, but I already finished the reel and the Draw With Me video I wanted to do for my patrons. I had a problem, guys. The thing is that I have been filming the Draw With Me video for patrons, and the Draw With Me videos I normally screen capture my iPad screen or my computer screen, so patrons can see all the movements and all the things I'm doing. But the thing is that today I couldn't make that. I mean, I started doing that because I had the program open and I click like the rec button and everything. But you know, it has been a very intense morning. I received a lot of packages. Phoebe was playing around the keyboard a lot, so I think that in one of the times that I went to open the the door for receiving a package, Phoebe has come over the keyboard and she stopped the recording, so I don't have like the second part of the Draw With Me, and it's a little bit of a disaster, but I think I'm going to save that using the time-lapse from Procreate, and yeah, I don't know how I'm going to make it, but I will try to make it work as better as possible. And I'm going to need to try to explain. Well, I will need to explain in more detail what is happening, because this time people, you know, patrons are not going to see it. And I'm so sad, guys. So I apologize to patrons for this Draw With Me, but hopefully it's not going to be the only one this month. So yeah, I'm going to, you know, do it better next day. This is the result of my versions of Rhaenyra. I think I'm very proud of them. This one is the one that I love the most. I have been, you know, guys, trying to make different things, playing with textures, you know. I'm not trying to be as neat and polite on my, you know, on my traces, but I think in the end I really love the result. I mean, I'm trying different things. So yeah, guys, I'm going to lunch right now. This is the drawing I have prepared for painting with inks. Basically the same sketch I have here. Well, you can see it, guys, 1 second. The thing is that I use the iPad as a softbox. So I put here, I mean, I had to simplify a lot of things. For example, the cat and for example, the face. I couldn't make the same as here, but yeah, I think I like it. I like this kind of cat, very simplified, so yeah, I think it will work. What I'm going to do now is start painting with the inks. I'm going to erase a little bit the sketch. I'm going to use ink to paint the lines.
Lo usé para convertirme en uno de los 44 hombres que han tenido la suerte de dirigir este país. Y nunca te he dado las gracias, pero tengo muy claro cómo he llegado a esto.
¿El presidente tiene una aventura con Olivia Pope?
Happy Friday, guys! Today I think is the first day I talk to you on camera over this week. This week has been a little bit weird because I didn't have been feeling so well a couple of days ago. Probably it was because I was cooking something on my throat because it really hurts right now. So I'm feeling better now, even it hurts, but I feel like inspired to paint and inspired to do things, and I'm in the mood of filming, which I wasn't that couple of days ago. So I don't know what's going to look this vlog, but I will try my best, guys. If you arrived until here, I'm trying my best to, you know, put together all the things I have been recording. And this morning, right now it's 10 a.m. and I'm going to work on Procreate. I'm going to work on Patreon stuff. I have to do a lot of feedbacks for my pair key illustrators. By the way, if you don't know what it is, the pair key illustrators club is a part of my Patreon where I give feedback to them. So they send me each week one sketch, and they send me which things they need to, you know, they have troubles or they want to know how to do that. So I'm going to be resolving these issues over the morning, and I'm going to send all the videos once I finish. I think it's going to take me probably a couple of hours to that, so I will finish around noon. And the next thing I want to start doing is the inking of my the inking of Inktober Day 1. I'm super late because I have been delaying the inking a lot. Probably I'm talking about the inking on Monday, I don't remember right now, but just in case, yeah, I still didn't start inking. So I will do that today. Hopefully it's not going to look that bad, and see what happens. And other thing I have to do today is make like a short reel for the blog that you already see, last week blog, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to promote blogs more and videos more. So for blogs, I like to do like a small videos for 30 seconds and share it on TikTok and share it on Instagram and YouTube. And also I have another video to edit, a small edit, like the painting of Rainitas. That is a draw with me for Patreon. And I also need to make the 30-second video process for that. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to be first, if the edition of these short videos or the inking. I guess I'm going to do the editing first and then the inking, but well, we'll see it around the morning. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to start right now because then it's going to be super late. Y luego la cola. También la cola yo creo que puedes trabajar mucho con ella. Tal y como la has puesto, creo que está un poco puesta ahí, que como que te viene por ahí. But you see, it's not like the cute expression you already had, so probably I will leave it that way. You know, the one that you already have, or more surprise. Well guys, I just finished it with the feedbacks. I am exporting them, so I'm going to upload all of them on YouTube right now before lunch. And I wanted to show you before, you know, making lunch, the sketch I made for Maddie's art. Where it is? This is a sketch I made for Maddie Art's Draw This in Your Style. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me see if I can show you. I have been using the chalk brush for the inking part, you know. And, you know, it's a chalk brush from Procreate. And I really enjoy it using them. I don't know why it's not focused, but focus, please. So yeah, I will put some color. Probably I'm going to continue using the chalk brush for doing that. And this is going to be the word for this afternoon. So what I'm going to do now is upload all the feedback videos to YouTube, so everyone can have their own link and see their videos this weekend. And the next thing is prepare the blog for airing, launching today, this afternoon at 6 p.m. So I just need to write down the caption. I just need to put the tags, you know, the hashtags and all this stuff. I need to do it now, so I will have time to make to make lunch, and I will have everything handled and settled. So yeah, let's do that, guys, and let's do some lunch.